If you ever had a customer say, "Oh, think about it," then this video is for you. Because what they really mean is, "I don't trust you enough yet." Hey guys, this is Sahib, aka Sam, founder of Cleaning Legends. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to handle objections like, "Let me think about it," "I'll talk to my husband," or "Call me back later." Because these are the most common objections used especially over the phone. But here's what most people miss. It's rarely about the price. It's usually about lack of trust, urgency, and unclear value. At this point, most people are just trying to get off the phone, like without saying no directly. Let's imagine a scenario. Somebody searches up on Google, "carpet cleaning near me," and they see 3 links pop up at the top. They click on every single one of them and they call every single one. The first person says 165 for 3 rooms. The second person goes, "You have 3 rooms, it's going to be 145. And the third person is, "You have 3 rooms, it's going to be 129. Okay. At this point in the customer's mind, all they heard were numbers. So you're just numbers in their head. You're not a solution. So here's how you flip the script and convert more leads into jobs. So while you're on the phone with them, you're going to say, "Just so you know, everything we clean comes with our spots come back. We come back guarantee. We have cleaned over 1,200 homes in the area and we back every job 100%. Once the value is built, you present a price and then you give them a reason to book now. Add some scarcity or urgency, stuff like, "We only have the last 5 spots left. We can only do 2 last jobs for this week," or anything that would help them or that would push them to book the job now. If you still get an objection and they still say, "I need to think about it," then normalize the objection and say, "Totally get it. Just so you have all the information, I'm going to send you a link with a video of our cleaning process so you have all the information you need to think through." And here's the bonus part. Record a 60-second video showing your cleaning process and what makes you different. And anytime someone tells you, "I need to think about it," text them the video. And it acts like a silent salesperson and it pre-sells you like crazy. And to top it off, you can even create a why choose us page. And then on that page of your website, you can put up the video on top and then some reviews and testimonials of your customers, then your certifications, then your guarantees, and then everything that would make you different, anything that would make the person trust you more. And you create a link of that page and you send it to anybody who has any objections. This is by far the biggest lead nurture hack to convert anybody who's a cool prospect who don't know you before. Now you send them this link and they see your cleaning process, they see why you're different, they see you have guarantees, they see your reviews, they see your customer testimonials. They have all the reasons in the world to trust you more than any other cleaner in the area. So implement this right now. I'm also recording another video that goes over how to record your cleaning process and what makes you different video. And if you need that video, make sure to comment below the fire emoji and I'll send it over to you whenever it's done.